Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll be exploring Software AG, a leading provider of enterprise software solutions. Founded in 1969, Software AG is a German multinational company specializing in software for business process management, integration, and big data analytics. They offer a range of products and services that help businesses connect systems, automate processes, and gain valuable insights from their data. Software AG's BPM solutions enable organizations to model, automate, and optimize their business processes. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Their integration platform helps connect various applications, systems, and data sources within an organization and across different departments. Software AG offers solutions for IoT data management, analysis, and visualization. This helps businesses gain valuable insights from their connected devices and make data-driven decisions. Their data analytics solutions help businesses extract meaningful insights from their data to improve decision-making, identify trends, and gain a competitive advantage. Increased efficiency. Automate processes, reduce manual tasks, and streamline operations. Improved agility. Adapt quickly to changing business needs and market demands. Enhanced customer experience. Deliver better products and services through improved customer insights. Data-driven decisions, gain a competitive edge by making informed decisions based on data analysis. Reduced costs, optimize business processes, and reduce operational expenses. Software AG serves a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, finance, healthcare, telecommunications, and government. They have a global customer base with many well-known companies relying on their solutions. To learn more about Software AG and their solutions, visit their website. Thanks for watching.